How to fix unable to change country or region in the App Store. Let's get started. Cancel active subscription. You can't change your country or region if you have active subscription. For that, launch your settings. Click on your name given at the very top. Now navigate to the option of subscription. Once you're in this page, you're gonna find all of your subscription. Now cancel any active subscription. If you have any remaining store credit, you need to spend it before changing your region. For that, head back. Click on the option Media and Purchases. Then click on the option View Account. Then navigate to the option Apple ID Balance. Purchase something to use the balance or contact Apple support for further assistance. If you are a part of family sharing group, you won't be able to change your country or region. For that, head back. Now navigate to the option of Family. Select your name and tap Leave Family. After changing your region, you can rejoin the family sharing group. Add a valid payment method for the new region or country. For that, head back. Now navigate to the option Payment and Shipping. Remove any payment methods that are invalid for the new region and then add a new one. Likewise, head back. Navigate to the option of Media and Purchases. Click on View Account. Now click on the option Change Country or Region. Click on Change Country or Region again. Select the desired region, agree to the terms and condition, and update your payment method if necessary. Sign out, then sign in back to refresh your account. For that, head back. Scroll down and click on the option Sign Out. Restart your device, then sign in back under Settings. If you have tried everything and still can't change your region, contact Apple support. They can help resolve account-specific issues. By following these steps, you should be able to successfully change your App Store country or region. So that's a wrap for this video. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.